Hello, French and chemistry students. This is Mrs. Crumshard, and I wanted to help you a little bit with your navigation within Google. Um, and so I am in as a CHSD student council, and I added them as a student to my French 1 class. So when you join the class, which you have an invitation in your email, this is what you should see. And it's going to look pretty similar no matter what class you're at. So up here, this is how you switch from classes. You would have more than one class listed there. Okay. Up right here. Okay. This is upcoming. Okay. So these are things that are coming up due, and I put a little test assignment in here. This is the stream. For me, I often am going to post kind of what's happening in class here in the stream. But the part that you need to be real comfortable with is the classwork tab. Okay. So again, because I have sections, when I set it up, you'll see different sections, and these will vary a little bit from class to class. But you'll see here we have general class resources. All of my classes have that. So this is the syllabus, the workbook letter for my French class, etc. So different things here. Okay. So if I want to look at what this is, I open it up. And then again, I can even do view material this way. And then I can open up the documents. So this was the syllabus, a Google Doc. It tells you right here, this is a YouTube video. Okay. Good morning. So again, depending upon what it is, okay. So we can go back to our classwork. Clicking like this kind of opens and collapses it, so it allows you to kind of see what's there. Again, this one has a PDF. I can tell it's a PDF because it says right here, and a YouTube video. Okay. So different things that are here. I tried to kind of help you out and make things organized. Again, we're looking at a French one. The chemistry one looks a little bit different. So this icon here, this means that it's just material. So it's information that you might need to look at. Okay. But this icon here means that it's an assignment. So, and it looks like they're going to appear to be blue for you. So this was just a test, and you can tell right here it's homework, and notice I have the due date right here as well. So it tells you when Mrs. K put it up there, or when the teacher put it up there, and then I can say view assignment. I didn't write anything in here, okay? And again, these are things that'll happen, but you can make private comments that just I would see, okay? So that's right here. These are class comments, okay? So kind of a difference between the two types of comments. So again, it tells you right away here that there's something that's been assigned and you need to turn something in. So let's say that you've typed up your document, or you've taken a picture with your phone or your Chromebook, and you have it in your Google Drive. So you're ready to turn something in. Okay, so you click add or create, and you get lots of choices here. So if you already have it done, it's in your Google Drive. If it's a link, if it's a file, so you might use this mostly if you're working on a desktop computer and you typed it in Word or something, you can upload it right from your desktop computer with file. And then it also gives you some options to create a document right now if you'd like. But I'm going to say that it's in my Google Drive. And this is the student council Google Drive. So I'm just going to try to go find something that's not particularly important. So I'm going to take this getting started in Google and use that to turn in. So I click it, okay, to select it. And then I say insert. And now I see that it's here. It still says it's assigned, so that means I haven't turned it in yet. So be careful about that. You're not done. To finish this up and to turn it in so that I can see it as the teacher, you have to click this turn in button. And it's going to ask me a question, and I'm going to say, yep, go ahead and turn it in. It's telling me it's turning it in. And now notice it changed. It says turned in. Now, let's say when you get this up here, you realize, oh my goodness, that's the wrong file. Okay, once you turn something in, you can't change it anymore. So for homework and such, if you realize that it was the wrong file or you didn't finish it, the way to fix that is you can unsubmit it. And again, unsubmit it, it tells you, okay, that you can unsubmit it. But now again, it shows back up as just assigned. So again, that means that I still need to turn it in. Okay, and if it's the wrong file altogether, I can exit out and then I can add a new one. Okay, so again, that is kind of the important part for turning things in that you need to know for homework and such. So hopefully that helps you a little bit with navigating Google Classroom. And like I said, lots of things kind of already appearing in here for you. And again, you can kind of click around and see under the people tab, it shows you your classmates and such. And apparently you have a way to email them within Google Classroom. So like I said, classwork tab is going to be that important tab for your classes. Don't know what view your work means. Oh, it gives you like a whole set. Notice over here I have assigned, returned, and missing. So this would be a nice spot to go to see if you're missing something. So as you get into this a little bit more, you can kind of learn to use this a little bit more. But that gives you a little lowdown on how to use Google Classroom.